Right guys, welcome to today's job. Today's job is to surface clean, treat and the rinse. It is this lovely paving here. This is my favourite kind of stone to clean. The colours, the patterns, the shapes are so nice when they're looked after and they're freshened up. I'm looking forward to giving this one a tidy up. As you can see, it's got some quite bad patches, there's some quite bad drainage in this garden, so some areas are worse than others. But we're looking forward to giving it a transformation. Here's a little look at the before pictures. Some areas are really bad. So let's get started. Right guys, another job well done. As you can see, the colours have come out really nice. Such a lovely paving when it's clean. You give it a treat so it should stay clean for longer. Some rainbow effect in some of the bricks. That brick there is really nice. There's a little bit of pooling which should drain off shortly. I'll hopefully come back when it's dry and get some after photos, because when it's dry it looks so much better. Here's a look at the before and after. Again, huge difference. This area here, again, an amazing transformation. The customer is really happy. So as always guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to leave some comments and some feedback, and we'll see you in the next job.